In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time it takes for your iPhone to auto lock, and it's pretty simple to do once you know how, so let's get started. Okay, so first things first, just to confirm by auto lock, I mean the time it takes for your phone's screen to go black when leaving it. So to do this, just go to your settings. I'll just do that by scrolling down and searching for it up here. Now you're here, you need to scroll down until you see display and brightness. So just tap on that. Now just scroll down until you see auto lock, but if you don't see auto lock in here, that means you're on an older version of iOS, and instead it's located in your general settings. Now at this point, you might see that it is grayed out, and you can't actually tap on it to change it, like me, but don't worry, that's because you have low power mode on. So to turn this off, you just need to press back at the top left of the screen, scroll down, find battery, just tap on that, and you should be taken here where you can see low power mode up here, and to turn it off, just press the green toggle next to it, and it should turn grey, meaning it is turned off. Now we go back and find display and brightness again. Now you can see that we can press on it and change it to whatever we like. But I'll just keep mine on 30 seconds as that's what I like, so I'll just select that. And if you didn't know, like it says below, it will not dim the display when it can sense you're looking at the screen, and this is the only thing that overrides the auto lock feature. Anyway, that's how you change your iPhone auto lock time. If this video helped you out, please like the video and consider subscribing for more tips, tricks and tutorials just like this one. And if you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'm sure I can help you out. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.